Okay, so I'm at a spot I want to rip real bad. It's just a little field, and the reason why I want to rip it real bad is because I can do it from the car, and because it's kind of chilly outside, and it's not far from my house, and it's just an open field, and I want to see what the D-term filter. I took the D-term filter off Butterfly when I just flashed Butterfly a couple packs ago. I did not remove the D-term filter when I flashed Butterfly onto this quad, onto the 6-inch floss. So I removed the D-term filter, and now I'm going to rip a pack and see what it feels like. Let's get to it.
We hop out on any block. Millie rock. Let's get it. I Millie rock on any block. 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 In my polo tee, my polo socks. Let's get it. On top of cars, my face hot. I Millie rock on that Gates block. They got me on the explore page. I've been Millie rocking for 4 days. Nah, we don't battle, I never, man. We just Millie rock when we hella bad. I'm smoking weed, I'm counting cash. I'm Millie rocking on Patch and Nav. First arms up, then left and right. Then MJ get out my sight. Our buff dance just hit me up. That drink strong, I mix it up. We hopping out and we hitting it. On any block, rock militant. Let's get it. I Millie rock on any block. 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 I Millie rock on any block.
Unplugged itself when I hit that tree, which is the only way to end now. I feel like is to crash, like a controlled crash. And look, now there's a horse coming far, far away. So the crash came at the right time. You can see my face. I'm stoked. Remove that last filter. Motors are, these are janky ass props. Like I refuse. I fly on old ass props. I refuse. But I might put a fresh set on now. What am I saying? The D-term filter is off and going back on. That was real nice. That was smooth AF. I don't even use AF, but I did it there because that's what it was like. Oh, red-tailed hawk, red-tailed hawk. We hit that same gap. All right. Catch you on the next one. I don't like no one say that. I love you, JC. No one say that either. I hope you found a way today to rip more packs. Make the most of your day. No. I hope you found a way to rip more packs. Remember, make the most of your day.
I Millie rock on any block. I Millie rock on any